Here we are in the backyard. As you can see, there's a car here that was left to me. If you're looking to buy a cheap car, just call me, I guess. What do most of you guys do when you guys buy a house with a car on it? I have no idea. Hit me up if you know what I should do. Here is the garage. The property sits on a pretty big lot. Also looking for a riding lawnmower. Here you go, selling this thing for $25. Haha. If you are looking to sell a house that's in Lorain County or West Cuyahoga, just hit us up, 440-810-SELL. It's on the back of the shirt. We're looking to buy any kind of fixer-upper properties that need work, any area, any price range. Just give us a call.